If you want to remove the default clothes from your Roblox avatar and start fresh, here's a quick and easy way to do it step by step. First of all, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the Avatar tab from the bottom menu and then select Customize. Now, scroll through your avatar's current outfit. To remove default clothing items, tap on each item like shirts, pants, and accessories. Some items might be bundled with the default avatar, so you might not be able to remove absolutely everything, but you can get close. After clearing all the items you can now add new clothes or accessories by browsing the avatar shop. Pick what you like and tap where to apply them to your avatar. And then finally, review your avatar to make sure it looks exactly how you want. You've now cleared the default outfit and are ready to customize your avatar freely. And that's all. That's how you remove default clothes from your Roblox avatar and start fresh. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.